this is how our project would be looking. Okay, we would be having two areas. So number one would be a public area, and the other would be an admin area. If I just go to admin and I'm not logged in, it just tells me to please log in. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to log myself in. I'm just going to hit sign in, and you can see now I'm logged in. My role is actually admin. Now, admin can actually change his profile, view all the posts, okay, and he can also add a new post. He can add the post title. He can select the post category. He can just add the post content. He can also add headings. He can also add some different things here. He can also select the post image. He can enter the keywords, and then he will submit the post. So once you submit the post will be right here, and the post will also be right here as well. Same like this, that admin can also edit, and the admin can also delete that post. If you just hit OK, the post will be deleted. Let's suppose that I would like to delete this one. I want to just hit delete. I'll just hit OK, and this is now deleted. It says successfully deleted. If you just come up here, you can see this post is right here. If I just refresh my page, the post will be not here right now. Same like this, the admin can go to all categories, and he can add the categories right here as well. If you just come up here, you can see that we have got all the categories coming up right here, from sports, technology, and science. If I want to open up the technology, then you can see it says showing all posts for category technology. And you can see here we are getting the full post. Same like this, you can see we've got the all pages. And the admin can create a new page. He can also just edit that page, and he can also delete it. If I want to add a page, I'm just going to hit services page. And here you can enter the content. You can just hit add page. The page is added. And if you just come up here and you go to the home, you will see a services button right here. So we've got this services right here. You can just open it up, and you will see the content right here. Same like this, the admin can go to settings, and he can change the settings. You can see we've got this description of the site. If I want to change this, I can change it. I can write here, hello world. I'm just going to hit update settings. It says settings updated. Now here, if I just go ahead and I just refresh my site, it says hello world. But I'm going to switch back. Now let's talk about the thing right here. We've got the pagination right here, so we will also be applying the pagination. You can go to other pages as well. We will also be working up with another role that is called the author role. So if you just sign out and we sign in using the author, and if you want to actually sign up, then you can say we want to sign up. I'm just going to enter the name, and then here is going to be the address, and here is going to be the password. I'm just going to hit sign up, and you can see it says successfully registered. Now I want to log in the person. I'm just going to enter the username, and here I'm going to enter the password, and I'm going to hit sign in, and you can see that the person is signed in, but his role is actually author. He can just change his profile, and he can view all the posts, and he can just add a new post. He don't have the capability to edit and delete the post. If you want to add a new post, he can just come up here, and he can just write this, okay? He can just select this category. He can just add the content right here. He can just select the post image. He can just write some keywords here, and he can just hit submit. So once he submit, his post will be published, his post author, his name will be coming up right here, and you can see it's right here. If I just go ahead and I just come up here and I open up the home page, you can see you've got this right now from Ali, which is our name. Now, if he just goes to the dashboard and he changes his name, okay, he says his name is Daniel. Okay, he just goes ahead and he just updated. It says record updated. Now, if you just come up here and you refresh the website, you will see that it's now coming up as the Daniel. So everything we've got here is totally dynamic, and we will be building this along with PHP and MySQL. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.